Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today we have got an unbagging, and this is two little parcels from AliExpress, again using my coins, so I got them that little bit cheaper, and they only cost me around about £3 each, and they are poured glue. I am still on my hunt for a good poured glue budget canvas store. So this one has two canvases which are wonderful little pictures, and these are from the HIBAH factory store, which is HIBAH, and I just thought they were just so cute. I had to get them, so let's have a look at the first one. They are full drill. I've previously got some paintings that I asked if they were poured glue, and the company said yes, and when they came they were actually partials, but these are full drill, so you've got to remember to ask the right questions. Okay, now then, oh gosh, this is really tiny. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a ladybird. Heck. Okay, so this is 20 by 30. Now this is something to be careful of when you're actually using your coins and getting your discounts on AliExpress. It does quite often tend to be the canvases that are smaller sizes, and if you've got a very busy picture, then you'll find something this size is just not going to come out very well at all. But this one, because it's just one great big ladybird on a beautiful big daisy and just a plain green background, then this has come out wonderful, and this is going to look so nice. And it would actually go on a greetings card, this one as well. I don't think it'll end up too heavy on a greetings card. And it has 22 colours, goodness me. It's quite a stiff canvas, but not the stiffest that I've felt. It, you know, it is pliable, it is nice, a good canvas. With it being poured glue, all these creases that you're seeing are just the top sheet. The canvas underneath is very, very good. It's got a little bit of crease in it here, but once it's been under something heavy, been in my folder for a while with my other paintings, it will just flatten out and it will work up really nicely. That good clear drill feel. I can't believe it's got a legend, a key code on both sides on such a titchy little painting. But I don't need to show you the thumbnail because you can quite clearly see the drill field. But look how clear that is. That is wonderful. There's going to be no problems with that, and that's all your different letters and symbols there. They're all capital letters, aren't they? Yep, all capital letters, and the TMC codes on the canvas as well. That's fantastic. Okay, we've got a basic toolkit, just your little starter one with the teeny tiniest piece of wax, but that probably is enough to do this. Okay, so that's that one. Let's just measure this and see whether it measures up. I reckon this will be about a 15 by about a 25, because with poured glue you do tend to lose. Yeah, just under 25 that way. Yeah, oh, it's just under 16 that way. So it's, no, sorry, it is 15. I'm looking at the 6 inches there. So it's just under 6 inches, which is 15 centimetres by 25 centimetres, which is about 9 3/4 inches. So it's, oh, that is really cute. I do like that. So let's have a look at these drills. Look, nice quality. They're in the striped packets, the blue and grey packaging. Let's get these out. Oops. Okay, I can't believe it's got 22 colours in this little teeny tiny picture. Okay, so let's start at the front. Great big long snake of diamonds there is here, and they do look a nice quality, a nice sparkle to them. Okay, we've got your, is that, yep, starts with 310 black and grey, and then that one's 321 red, and some more greys and beiges. You wouldn't think there'd be grey in this picture, but it must be the highlights on the ladybird. Let me just push it up so you can see it. And beige, and another red, and grey and browns. These are probably flower, more sort of orangey red and a burgundy red, and then lovely green for the background. What colour is that one? Number 15. That one's colour 907. I like that colour. Really nice and bright. It's going to make this look really fresh. And then just as like a lemony, greeny colour there at the end. Okay, so that's those. Oh, and then 3 extra ones there. Your 20, 21 and 22. Your beige, your cream, and like a fawny brown colour. So that's canvas number 1. Pop that one over there. And then canvas number 2. So is this the same size? This is maybe a little dinky one as well. Really cute. Okay. And this one is based around a starry night. Oh yes, it's the same size. And it's a little German Shepherd. Okay, just peel this back a little bit. Try and get a bit of this oops, without getting it completely stuck. I've just made that completely worse. Just use a boat and see if we can just flatten this out a little bit. No, that's better. That's better. Just take, I think I'm quite warm. It is quite warm today, and it's just going a little bit staticky. Let's just see if we can just. That's it. That's flattened that out a bit better. Oh, look at that. So a good tip from Liz, instead of a how not diamond paint, an extra tip, just use a nice large tray just to help straighten out the cover sheet on your poured glue. Okay, so I think you can see that that's nice and clear as the drill feels. So it's based on Starry Night. Look at that face. Pretty little girl, that one. And again, 22 colours on a 20 by 30 canvas. DMC codes. I think you can gather it's nice and sticky from the fact of how it was grabbing the plastic cover. So we'll measure again, but I think it's the same size. Yeah, we're 15 centimetres by, where are we? 20, just over 24 centimetres, 24.5 centimetres. So yeah, you've lost that extra bit for you. But I think these are really good quality, really nice canvases. Oh, this one's got a bit bigger wax. Look, this has got a bigger square. I expect you to use a bit more wax on this one, I think. Okay, look at those eyes. I hope those eyes come out as well as they're looking on here. Okay, they are rounds. I don't think I mentioned that on the last one. So they're both rounds. Lots of nice colours in this one as well. Okay. So we have, I can't believe, 22 colours. Wow. We get to the beginning. Have a white and a dark blue. Hot pink, hot pink. Oh, hot pink next to aqua. Wow. 2 of my favourite colours. And is that through 10? 16? No, that's 939, so that's the dark blue. And grey. And like a navyish colour, the darker blue, another blue. So there's lots of blues for the background, but I think also the dog has a lot of blues. And we've got like a lemon and an orangey lemon, lilac, like a plum colour, a grey green, grey, purple, don't know where, oh, some purple right down here at the bottom, grey, burgundy and pink. And then finally another aqua type colour and like another grey green. Is that different aqua? Oh yes, look. Yes, quite a different colour. You don't realise until you put them together how different the colours are. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to doing those too. And then we'll just have a look at the last one. Okay, and this is one that I've wanted for a while, and because it was on special offer with my coins, I thought I'm getting that. Let me get into it and have a look. Again, this one is a full drill, and I believe it's a round, but we'll double check. Okay, let's just take it out. I think this is a 30 by 30. Same toolkit with that square of wax. Okay, and drills. There's no DMC codes on the drills, but I hope there's one on the canvas. Oh, and there's no DMC codes on the canvas. Oh, that's a shame, but never mind. So this is a 30 by 30, and this one's only 21 colours. Okay, but it is my birth sign, which is Leo. My birthday is in July, so we've got the star sign there, and then the lion with the blue and the fire. So it's like water and fire going across there, which is lovely. They're all nice capital letters as well, so that's really good, really clear and easy to see. Nice clear drill field. Yeah, nice canvas, this one. Again, I think this will be about a 25 by 25. I am sad it hasn't got DMC codes. So actually it's 24 that way by 24 that way, so we've lost 6 centimetres for the edges. But yeah, I'm hoping again that the eyes will come out on these. Sometimes you don't quite get them. What I've done in the past when I've done eyes, and particularly on something like this German Shepherd, is just take a white marker pen and just put on one of the drills, just put a little tiny white dot, and it just gives that little bit of sort of, as you can see there on that eye, on the picture, you've just got a little white dot. Well, because your squares or your rounds aren't always as small as that, sometimes just using a white marker pen will just bring out that highlight, and it just brings it to life that little bit more, just gives you a bit more to your painting. Okay, so just have a look at these drills. Okay, so much plastic. Right, so nice colours, lots of colours, ooh, lots of bright colours. Okay, so we've got grey and like a russet and a black, don't know whether that's black or not, and another grey and a brown, so like a sage green, beige, and then pale peaches, and look at those oranges. Oh wow, they're all going to really pop when they're on. And then like a burgundy and your red, brown, that's another orange. Oh, look at your aqua colours there, and your browns. These look a lot flatter, these gems. They don't look quite as good quality as the ones in those packets. But we will see when we've done it, and I will do a review once I have completed this kit. Okay, oh, and the last one is number 21, which is a nice aqua colour. Yeah, some gems, I think it depends on whether they're resin or acrylic. Some seem to be a lot flatter than others. You know, when you pick them up with your pen, the flatter. I like the ones that are quite a nice fat one. So when you put your pen on it, it really connects with it and picks it up. Maybe that's just me. Okay, so we've got 3 lovely little pictures here. We've got my Leo lion birth side. We've got a lovely little German Shepherd, and then a nice happy sunny ladybird. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, just give me a like, and if you want to subscribe, then you'll get to know when my next videos come out, and who knows, it may be one of these that I've completed that you'll be coming back to see. Okay, if you press the subscribe button down there, it will notify you when my next videos come up. So, thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.